Hello all. So in this lecture we are going to see about sets in Python. Sets are normally unordered collection of unique elements, which means there can be only one entity of a particular element within a set. So for clear understanding you may think of in your list you may have 2 to 3 times the number 2 repeats, but in set it won't repeat. It will occur only once. Let's see some example. Let me define a set S, which is an empty set. So now if you print and see the element of set S, it will be empty. So now I will add elements to the set. I will add one. Now you can see the element 1 is added to my set. So again I will add 2. You can see the element 1 and 2 are added. So if I add 2 again, you may see the 2 added is not available in our set because it will store only immutable pair. That means you can't add the elements which are already present there. Every element will be present there only once. So that's the property of our set. Now let me define a list which consists of repeating elements 1 1 2 1 3 3 3 3. So here you can see the entities are repeat pass set of L. So here you can see that our list L is passed as a set here. The property of set is applied to the list and you can see the element is not repeating here. Every element occurs only once. So that is the property of the set. Thanks for watching the sets video. Meet you in the next lecture.